This town has changed, but the mountains haven't changed at all. A river runs through the valley, and the trees stand tall. And here on the crossroads, this hotel has seen it all. From old friends singing to the late night drunken brawl. From coal miners crying to young girls falling in love. This town has changed. This town has grown. But here on the crossroads, this hotel has seen it all. In the year of 1890, that's when they opened the door. Over 100 years swinging and their doors not closed. Over 100 years swinging and their doors it's not closed. It's the place where people gather. It's a place to sing your song. It's a place to belong when you don't want to be alone. When you don't want to be alone. From Delhi to Dublin, from metalheads to country bands. Yeah, this is a place where strangers become friends. Yeah, this is a place where strangers become friends. This town has changed. This town has grown. But here on the crossroads, this hotel has seen it all. The walls are stained with stories and smoke. Yeah, you can paint them white, but the walls still know. Yeah, you can paint them white, but the walls, they still know. All the secrets inside them, lost to the years. All the tears of the miners and all the spilled beers. All the tears of the miners and all the spilled beers.